Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Mrs.Cowart Journey. Today I'm showing you how I deep condition my hair, meaning what products I'm using, what oils I'm using. Y'all want to know, so let's get into this deep condition. So there are three conditioners that I'm using. One is a hair mask, which is the Garlic Vitica Deep Conditioning Hair Mask. I talked about this in a recent video. I think I got this off of Amazon.com. Very good for anyone who's experiencing hair shedding. If you're experiencing breakage, this is really good. Next is the silicone mix. I also got this from Amazon.com. I've stopped using this. I like to use it because I like the results. However, the fragrance is so strong that it literally sometimes gives me a headache. So I still have quite a bit left in here, but I'm telling you, if you need slip, honey, if you need slip, this doggone silicone mix will get you that slip, boo-boo. It is so good with detangling. It's so good with softening the hair. But why I gotta smell so bad? Why? Finally but not least, I am using a new product that I have not used before, so I'm very excited to use this. It is the African Black Soap Conditioner. It's an ultra conditioner. So this cost me $8 from Ross, my local Ross store. This is what it's looking like. And again, I'm so excited to use this because it has rosemary in it, it has bamboo in it, and it also has what? Aloe vera. These are the three conditioners that I'll be using to complete my deep condition. Now let's talk oils. So this is what the bowl looks like after mixing my three conditioners. I need a lot because y'all already know I have thick, long, relaxed hair. High porosity at that, so I'm probably even going to need more product than this. Usually I have to go in with this type of bowl like at least a 1.5, so I'm probably going to need some more. But let's talk the oils now. So I'm going to be using my 100% glycerin oil. This is good for repair and damaged hair. Y'all already know my Amla oil, like girl, my Amla Gold, Amazon.com. Try it out, really good. Indians love the oil because it's bomb and it works. Also my grapeseed oil. I love these oils because they're light oils, but they penetrate my hair follicles really well. Black castor oil, good for thickening the hair, and also it helps with repairing. Aloe vera oil, y'all know already my hair loves is some aloe vera. Jojoba oil. And then last but not least, I'm going to be using avocado butter. So let's get to mixing. I don't measure any of my like oils and conditioners and things of that nature. I just pour. Y'all can measure it. I don't. I'm just giving you the honest truth. I don't do it. I don't think I've ever done it. So this is what it's looking like after mixing my oil. So I'm going to go ahead and mix all of the oils together. Okay, so I did go ahead and wet this side of my hair. Just kind of damp my hair so they can absorb the product more. So I'm going to go ahead and just section it off because I want to do this into 4s. That's what my hair is looking like. And then I'm going to section it off one more time. Again. Be very gentle because this is the time that your hair is very fragile, especially if you high porosity. Girl, I told y'all in one of my videos, you just look at high porosity hair and it just want to break. That's how it be. Alright, so first I'm going to start out with this new conditioner. I'm going to put it directly onto my wet hair. I really just want to see how my hair responds with it by itself. So just feeling the consistency of it. It's really thin. It feels almost like a water-based conditioner. I kind of like conditioners like that. So let's see if it gives me that slip that I want. So it's definitely making my hair soft. I can definitely get that from it. The fragrance, I think, of the rosemary is pretty strong. Maybe I'm just really sensitive to smell, but I really don't like the whole strong rosemary smell. But it's definitely gliding on my hair like butter. So I like it. This is what my hair is looking like. And if you have high porosity hair, you want to make sure that that product that you have, girl, get that junk on to every strand of your hair. So the best way of doing that and to ensure that it's really on every strand is to section off your hair as many times as possible. Y'all know I got this thick, relaxed hair, so that's the only way I can do it. Like the strands just feel like it's really absorbing the conditioner. Gotta give this one a 10 out of 10. Other than the smell, we'll do 9.5. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start out with my mixed oils and conditioner that I have in here, and go ahead and start smoothing that also onto my hair. You can use the brush as if like you're doing a relaxer. I like to use my hand because I like to smooth the product onto my hair. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Remember, ladies, that deep conditioning is a must. If you have high porosity hair, you have to make sure that you're maintaining the protein and the moisturizer to your hair, because if not, it will break off. It will break off. It will break off. So we are going to always, if possible, deep condition at least every week, and if not, then every other week. Y'all, my hair feels like butter. Like, I'm loving it. It feels so soft like that. Ooh! Girl, let me show y'all real quick what your girl working with. And I cut it. So little lengthy length check, y'all see that? Past the boob, waist length, here we come, boo boo. Deep condition, y'all, with me, using the products, whether it's your own very products that you like to use, or whether it's products that I'm using. Let's get to waist length, because it is possible. Relaxed hair can grow. Don't let them tell you nothing else. All right, so now we're in the back section of my hair, and I'm just going to again do what I did in the front. I'm going to split it again, and all I'm doing is just grabbing some conditioner and then working that onto my hair. Make sure that when you are working the conditioner onto your hair strands, that you put a lot of focus onto the ends of your hair. Y'all already know I talk about it all the time in all of my videos. Just comment down below if y'all already know what I'm finna say. What I'm finna say about the ends. So if you guessed that the ends are the oldest part of the hair, yes, that's what it is. Like, it's the oldest part of the hair. You got to make sure that you give it that TLCC, because honestly speaking, like, if not, girl, your ends, someone's ends are going to break off. So you got to make sure you get it right, honey. So y'all know that I am growing out my back from experiencing breakage, like almost, I want to say, has it been like a year? Maybe, I don't know, I can't remember. But I want to just make sure that that back is getting the same TLC that the front is getting, if not more. Now, you may not see a lot of women focus or talk about it a lot, but girl, the nape, get your nape. Don't leave your nape by itself, honey. Get that nape. Your nape, your ends, and your edges are a must. Like, I see people who be so focused on their edges. Girl, like, don't be focused on their ends, don't be focused on the nape, and then that be problem areas for them. So I'm gonna show you real quick where my hair stops at with my back side. So you can see that that's a good, what y'all think? A good maybe 2 or 1.5 inch difference. So remember, it was a lot shorter than that. So we making progress, definitely making progress. Focusing again on my ends. I just kind of want to show y'all how I rub it on there. Focus on your scalp, because a lot of times, like especially when that new growth comes in, it be dry. So girl, get onto the scalp. Like every part of my hair I focus on. Like, I don't play when it comes down to my hair. And if y'all already know me, then y'all already know that I don't. Get behind my ear. Working that in. And you can do this however long that you wish to do it. Girl, it's your hair. Do what you do. Don't let nobody tell y'all what to do with y'all's hair. That's what I kind of want to make that known on my channel, is like, you know what? God has blessed us with hair. Whether you cut it or grow it or perm it or dye it, be blessed with your hair. Do what you do. Like, just do what you do. Can't nobody tell you how to do what you do with your hair, okay? Once you are done, you can go ahead and just twist it up, braid it up, whatever you want to do with that section. And this is what my hair looks like. Alright y'all, so this section is wet. Remember, the more sections you have, the better and easier it will be to work with your hair. And if you have too much conditioner, that's why I don't really worry about like how much conditioner I'm using, only because, or how much, you know, measuring, you know, the conditioner, only because like I be using it over again like the following week. So I mean, it don't really matter to me. I did want to show you all how much product I have left over. Literally, that's how much product I have left over. Like, can y'all see that? Quite a lot. So meaning next deep conditioner will be next week. I don't have to worry about trying to mix products because my deep conditioner will already be mixed. High porosity hair, you already know we got to get under the heat to make sure that these oils and these conditioners penetrate our hair shafts. So I'm about to sit under my dryer for a good like maybe 15, maybe 30, that might be pushing it, 15 minutes at minimum. Okay ladies, so I finished deep conditioning my hair. I showed you all of my conditioners as well as my oils that I use. My hair feels not only soft, but it feels like, you could tell when there's like a coating on it, but it's not really like leaving a nasty feel in your hand. It feels coated, it feels protected, it feels hydrated. I'm loving what the results feel like. I can definitely tell that my hair is getting longer because every time that I wash my hair, I can feel like the strands, like it's just really heavy. It's getting heavier. So I'm really loving that. This is what my hair looks like. I have not did any type of detangling whatsoever, other than me going and finger combing my hair. If you're looking for any of these products at all, you can find all of these products on Amazon. Though I bought some of my products from like different local stores here, all the products that I use are accessible on Amazon.com. So I want to also say that none of these products, well, y'all already know, if this is a featured video saying, okay, I'm sponsored this, collab this, it ain't that. These are all my products that I brought with my money, and again, I love the results. I definitely believe in the silicone, just the results that you immediately get, as well as the garlic conditioner, the deep conditioner mask. Make sure you deep condition at least every other week or every week to get the results that you're wanting. I am trying to reach towards waist length. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get there, but because I've been cutting, y'all. I've been cutting because it's just been needed. But I mean, I don't know, like we have definitely a lot to grow, but we'll see together as to where the health of my hair is and whether or not I'm going to need another major trim. That's just something that kind of sometimes just comes with the journey. It's definitely a journey. trying to figure out what's going on with your hair. But yeah, if y'all have any questions, make sure you all list it down below. Make sure you also subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Like this video. If there are other videos that you all are wanting to see, make sure you mention it in this video so I can read you all's comments. I have a couple more videos that I want to show you. I want to show you some healthy natural products that you can use to detangle your hair. I also want to show you some healthy natural products that you can use to also do a good hot oil treatment. So stay tuned for that because I am ready to do it. Yeah, that's the results, y'all. I'm now going to allow my hair to air dry because I am trying to stay away from as much heat as possible, as to why you have not seen me do flat irons, and I don't be under my dryer as much other than trying to deep condition. So I will see you guys later. I want to also just throw this out here. This is just my thing of what I do for my deep condition and the products that I use. You all can do your hair different. That's the whole point of having a YouTube channel, is you showing people what you do. You all can always recommend any type of products as well as different ideas that you want to down below. But I think that was it. I'm out, y'all. Bye. Peace.